Hey fellow woodcutters, TopSaw here. Just got a new Shop Fox model W1685 with a 1.5 horsepower motor for a vac system. I'm gonna run it on my table saw and my planer both. As a house gets built, a little cottage gets built, I'm gonna set up a wood shop in the garage to do all the finish. One quick note in the packaging, make sure you pull all of the styrofoam out to find the 4 support bars underneath it. In addition to the dust system, I also got a supply of these bags. They're pretty expensive. They're not disposable, they're actually reusable. All right, here are all the parts laid out. Casters, bolts, the straps for the top bag and bottom bag. A little wrench to put it together. It does come with the mesh bag for the top, and it comes with one plastic bag for the bottom. So it's model W1685 with a 1.5 horse dust collector. So the weight's 90 pounds, and then it ships at 107. 36 inches by 23 by 23 is a shipping box, and then the footprint, once it's all put together, 33.5 by 21.5. and then it's 78 tall. There's power, this 110, 16 amps, full load 20 amps. Wheels are on, motor mounts on, motor's on, blower's on. This is 6, this is 5, 5, 6, to 6, to 4. All put together. Let's just see it fired up first. Let's see if it goes. Don't get your fingers in there. Oh, it's pretty quiet. Let's see how this thing works. Oh. All right, here's our test. We're on the 4x8 CNC router. Thing has a 1/2-inch ball end mill on it in there. It just creates all sorts of dust. We'll turn this thing on. We're running the 4x8 CNC router with a 1/2-inch ball end mill through pine. Pretty deep cuts. I think they're 0.3 per pass and a total of 0.6. This is one place we create a ton of sawdust, and this new Shop Fox vac system is doing a great job right here. Even though that shroud isn't even closing the area so I could video it, you can really see how little sawdust is left on the tabletop. So far this thing seems great. It's just pulling all that dust in. It'll be easy to empty those bags, actually easier than the central vac system I have in my shop. Excited to use it. I give this thing 10 out of 10 so far. Thank you for watching. Please comment below.